Hello everybody, here is Filippo. Welcome to the Shining 3D Dental Salon. Today we will see together the tools for the support that we offer to our customer. Let's proceed. The main tool we offer is our website. Into the Shining 3D Dental web page under Support Center, you can find easily thousands of really useful things for your device. You can submit a ticket, you can find easily the latest software version available for your device, or you can simply type your question and find the answer. As I said before, on this webpage, you can find material for all the devices that we have in our portfolio. Let me make a concrete example. Let's type on Google Shining 3D Dental. As you can see, this is the right page, shining3ddental.com. We can pass with the mouse on Support Center, in order to have the access to the page that I showed you before. Into the knowledge base, you will have the possibility, clicking on Dental Software, to find immediately the latest software version available for intraoral scanner, desktop scanner, printers, if we go back to the main page, here under the Shining 3D Cloud button, you will have the possibility to see the list of the latest update and different tutorials. How to log in, how to create an account, how to connect a clinic account with a lab account. If I click, for example, on the S6 series, I can immediately have in front of my eyes the list of the tutorial video and solution that we offer to all our customers. On the Acufab L4D, for example, I can immediately find the list of the tutorial video to unbox the printer, how to make the level, how to replace the FAB film, the LCD screen, the LED panel. Under the guide for Support Center, you can immediately find the most common questions. On the main page, if you type, for example, tip disinfection, you can immediately find the tutorial page in order to see how to clean, the method that we recommend in order to clean properly the tip of the intraoral scanner. Just to make another example, if I type bind, in order to see the procedure in order to bind exocad with my scanner, as you can see, typing bind on the search bar, I can immediately have the access to the solution page with an explanation and a tutorial video in order to see how to bind exocad with the scanner. Another tool that is really important that we offer for our customer is, of course, our YouTube channel. Into the YouTube channel, we weekly upload different video, real case study, solution, tutorials, webinar, many useful video that I suggest to watch related to your products. Also in this case, to make a concrete example, I can type YouTube and in the research bar I simply need to type Shining 3D Dental. This is our YouTube channel where you can find different videos. webinars, and tutorial. I suggest to check also the playlist in order to see immediately the video classified according to the device type. Desktop scanner, printers, intraoral scanner, and so on. Then the latest tool that I want to share with you is our Shining 3D Facebook page. Also in this case, let me make a complete example. Facebook. Shining 3D Dental. This is the official Shining 3D Facebook page, where you can find and keep update on the latest device that we release. You can stay updated related to the exhibition where we are with our booth, and you can also see all the webinar that we organize. Last but not the least, I would remember that in case of a technical issue or in case of a technical request, the best way possible in order to receive support in a short time is to send an email to dental_support@shining3d.com. We prefer an email because we are located in 4 different offices and the technical support team have the access to this email address. That's why if you send an email to us, all the support team can immediately read and take care of you. Hope to have shared something useful for you. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.